Hello friends, just we were discussing how we are doing the business. Now the first part of our business is known as data mining. Okay, now data mining is a very specialized process where we give you data and you have to work on that data. Remember, data is the most important part of any business. Unless you have the correct set of data, you can never ever do any business or earn money. So you see this data which we give you in this format. There is a candidate name, there is a company name, there is a company name, and then you have some email addresses. Then if you go forward, you have some mobile numbers. Now the important thing which is important for us is this mobile number part, and then is this email address part. Okay, so these are both things which we are using in our robots. Now how to format that data, please understand. First part which we go is this sort and filter. You see this sort and filter, you just take your cursor there and click on filter. Now how it works, remember, this designation column is most important, which I have marked in yellow. By designation, we basically filter out the data which we want to use for our business. So what you have to do is basically you have to select the whole row here, okay, this way. Select this, so the whole row is cleared. And then you have to go to the filter part and click on the filter button, right? So you see there are around 48,000 numbers. I have selected the whole row, it has been selected, and the filter button is also there. Now I click on the filter. Okay, now if my process is correct, it will show all the data has come. There is some problem which I am facing, is showing not all items showing. So why it is there? I clicked here. So there is some problem in my part. So again I go, I remove this filter button from here. Okay, I remove this filter button totally, and I again go to this filter and I do a refiltering of the whole data. So this sort of problems always comes. Now I go here and the word which I have to type is the keyword. The keyword is very important, remember. So my keyword is purchase. So I basically type purchase. Once I have typed the word as purchase, I go to this button as OK. It gives me now the data of all the people who are working in purchase department or purchase procurement, right? Now this data is very important for me. They are the people who are procuring the goods and the services, and we need to contact them for doing our business. Now what you do in the third part is go to this purchase manager, click on this button here and just pull it down completely. Okay, so it will just have one thing as purchase manager, and go and do a save this data. Right? So this is what you have to do. Okay? I hope I have understood. Now I will basically give you keywords such as purchase manager, such as electrical manager, and what you have to do is you have to filter out those data. Now I will show you one more thing, friends. Go to select all, click, the whole data will come, and again do one more selection. Now you type as procurement. Procurement. So this is the keyword, procurement. Now many people must be knowing, or some may not be knowing, is procurement purchase is basically the same thing. So I go to this procurement, and again to generalize everything I write here as purchase manager. Okay, and I click it here. I click on this purchase manager tag and I pull it down whole here. Okay, now all the purchase managers have again been selected. I again go and save. Okay, now this whole set of data, if I select, I go to a single button and I type here as, I select the whole data here and I go to filter. Again I go to this filter button and click on filter. Okay, now I go here as purchase manager and I click here as purchase manager. It will give me all the set of data who are in purchase and purchase manager. So I have a complete list of all the people who are in purchase manager. Okay. Now what you do now next is just copy this data. Okay. And here you see sheet 2, go to sheet 2 and paste it here. Okay. So now you have basically a set of people who